enjoys cordial relations with Egypt, and this comes way back from material support during Namibia's liberation struggle all the way to medical supplies during COVID-19. There has been a tangible and impactful relationship between Namibia and Egypt. Being here itself is testament of that and the relations between Namibia and Egypt. With that said, we definitely look forward towards expanding and deepening those relations, particularly in the aspect of the Memorandum of Understanding between Egypt as well as Namibia regarding healthcare and pharmaceuticals. We seek to explore this while understanding that Egypt has made great strides in the aspect of vaccine manufacturing, drug manufacturing, and we very much look forward to expanding and deepening those ties looking forward. During this conference, what we have noticed is as we engage on a day-to-day basis, of course, with representatives from the government of Egypt, we are finding that despite the previous agreements regarding health and pharmaceuticals and the previous Memorandum of Understanding spanning from the year 2021 all the way until 2024 in the previous administration, we are now seeing that actually there are more opportunities for cooperation. We are seeing that there are more opportunities to cooperate in terms of education, in terms of training, and not just limited to vaccine production and pharmaceuticals. And therefore, despite what already exists, we seek to deepen that further and to expand that further, ensuring, as I stated before, that we all want the same Africa. And so in places where we are able to stand together and hold hands with Egypt, we look forward to that in order to deepen the ties we already have enjoyed over the past couple of years. Very much beneficial, highly beneficial, so to say. Today is day one. The team and I actually only arrived today, but my goodness, the wealth of networking and relations with various stakeholders that we have already had leaves very little to be desired. We have had engagements with representatives from the government of Egypt, but also have had engagements with other players within the private sector as well as the public sector. Already we are enjoying the fruits thereof, whereby we've taken it a bit further than just having conversations, but we're actually in conversation with some people that have been attending in order to see how we can meet after this and how we can move forward together strategically. And so this has been highly beneficial. I also just wish to emphasize the fact that we acknowledge the fact for very long, numerous African countries have been making strides on their own and individually. And what we really look for right now is bilateral relations in order to find where there are synergies. And with Egypt and Namibia, we have noted numerous synergies. There's a lot of synergy with regards to ensuring accessible, equitable healthcare through universal health coverage, ensuring that the aspect of public health is promoted, but then also regarding the issue of digital health and digitizing the healthcare system. And so we look forward to expanding that further. In Namibia currently we have artificial intelligence X-rays that we have been using for the past couple of years that allow community health workers in rural areas to be able to diagnose using these artificial intelligence X-rays on the spot within a couple of minutes without having to refer patients further to hospitals that are centralized. And because of this, we have seen the power of artificial intelligence, of digitizing the healthcare system. As we walk in, you see the developments that are taking place from all over the world right here, centralized. And because of that, we see high value in connecting with these manufacturers, innovators, to see how we can bring all of this back home to Namibia.